Nexo is a cryptocurrency currently trading at a rate of 0.656356 per unit, with a market capitalization of $367,559,160. This places it in a relatively low position among digital assets. However, cryptocurrencies like Nexo have recently garnered significant attention from both retail investors and analysts, as well as large institutional investors. These investors view Nexo and other cryptocurrencies as a robust hedge against inflation, which poses a significant burden on the global economy. On August 2, the price of Nexo remained stable at 0.627204 at the conclusion of the daily trading session, representing a difference of 3.30 compared to the price recorded 7 days earlier on August 3, where the Nexo market stood at 0.633857. This stability can be attributed to the collective efforts of all market participants, resulting in a negligible change of 0% relative to its previous value a month ago on June 28, when Nexo was valued at 0.642466. This aligns closely with our previously predicted price for that specific period, which is significantly different from the current position of Nexo, indicating a price movement of 2.16 contrary to popular belief. These figures ought to yield you some knowledge into the truly current market structure, though our top-to-bottom cost gauge truly depends on the appearances of Kvix Lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. However, to in every practical sense grasp the really buy and large capability of Nexo or any essentially other cryptographic money, besides it's critical to sort of consider the cost variances, as well as changes in the market capitalization of the said computerized resource in a sort of significant manner. On the off chance that you sort of are somewhat acquainted with the financial exchange, you likely basically realize that market capitalization mirrors the market worth of public portions of a given organization, exhibiting how Nexo especially is a coin that truly is presently exchanged at 0.656356 per unit, with the market capitalization of $367,559,160. That explicitly makes it a low-position digital money in an exceptionally huge manner. A similar idea applies to digital currency markets. Market capitalization refers to the quantitative approach used to determine the value of a cryptocurrency, specifically in the case of Nexo, within traditional financial markets. Market capitalization is a metric that quantifies the total monetary value of a company and provides insights into the relationship between the company's size, as indicated by the issuance of its stock, and the potential returns and associated risks associated with that particular stock. This is particularly relevant when comparing digital currencies to traditional stocks. The aforementioned data provides valuable insights into the prevailing market structure, while our comprehensive cost estimation relies heavily on the behavior of CVIX, particularly in relation to cryptocurrencies. Market capitalization is often used as an indicator of a coin's relative size or influence compared to the rest of the market, as well as its overall popularity among the global cryptocurrency community and investors. This measure holds significant importance in the realm of cryptocurrencies, given its widespread adoption and considerable impact on various stakeholders. Merchants view market capitalization as a sort of key marker to be considered prior to settling on exchanging choices, showing how Nexo, for the most part, is a coin that is at present exchanged at $0.656356 per unit, with the market capitalization of $367,559,160, but boom large makes it a low-position digital currency, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. It in every practical sense is determined by duplicating the genuinely absolute number of coins that sort of are right now available for use flowing stock by the in every practical sense current cost of Nexo, which is currently referenced as of now in a real sense remains at 0.656356, or so they fundamentally thought. Considering that recipe, we have determined the fundamentally current market capitalization of Nexo to basically be at $367,559,160, which legitimizes its place as the 73rd coin among this exceptionally present on the digital money market, which most certainly is genuinely critical. On August 2, the market capitalization of Nexo reached a total of $351,234,514. Similarly, the previous week on August 3, the overall sum of market capitalization for Nexo was also seen. The capital allocated to Nexo was commonly reported as $354.959940. The information from a month prior enrolled on June 28 certainly shows that Nexo truly had a market capitalization of $359.780, truly 722. Total stockpile focuses to the quantity of coins that essentially have previously been mined, stamped, or generally made and fundamentally are either coursing available or secured, and engineers or alternately holders genuinely cool wallets, which sort of is genuinely huge. The really all-out supply likewise considers any coins that essentially have been scorched, put unavailable for general use, to keep a sound expansion rate, which in a real sense is very critical. It can measure up to the quantity of exceptional portions of an organization that in a real sense is public on the securities exchange, which for the most part is very huge. The by and large complete stock of Nexo right now, for the most part, remains at 100,000,000,000 Nexo, showing the way things are determined by duplicating the extremely all-out number of coins that are as of now available for use, circling supply by the genuinely current cost of Nexo, which is currently referenced as of now, remains at 0.656356 in a very enormous manner, as currently made sense of the coursing supply generally is the most normally involved, especially metric, for deciding a market capitalization of a digital money, being referred to truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. It relates with the in a real sense, the best guess of the kind of by and large number of coins that generally are public on digital money trades, and in every way that really matters add to their liquidity in a for the most part huge manner. Their volume does exclude the coins that for the most part are vested, marked, and kind of brilliant agreements, secured and computerized wallets, or generally put unavailable for general use, especially further appearance how computerized resources like Nexo truly have currently fundamentally turned into the point of convergence of consideration for reasonably retail financial backers and examiners, yet additionally for sort of huge institutional financial backers who certainly see Nexo and the remainder of digital currencies as a sort of successful certainly fence against expansion that takes a by and large weighty costs for the worldwide economy. On August 2, the price of Nexo remained rather stable, closing at 0.627204. This is a difference of 3.30 compared to the current value. On August 3, 7 days prior, the Nexo market maintained a value of 0.633857. The concept of the endeavors of all market members, which is of significant importance, pertains to the circulating supply, which can be likened to the fluctuating stock of shares in the securities exchange.